I'm good.
You sure? You lose it on the corner, did you?
Hit some dirt.
Yeah, I've done that before myself. You sure you're all right?
Yeah.
Take the helmet off.
You're good, man. You're good. You're intact.
Yeah.
Your body's in one piece.
Yeah, well.
Just chill, man. Just chill.
Nothing broke, you don't think?
Just catch your breath. Just relax.
Lose your...
Breathing okay?
Breathing all right?
You all right?
Looks like it. He's thinking he is.
He's fine.
He's knocked out. Help getting the bike up?
Let him get
Sit
his
down,
own-
man. Sit down.
Sit down, yeah. Sit down on there.
We'll get the bike,
You
dude.
can sit down. We'll get your bike for you.
She'll be fine. She'll be fine.
Yeah, take it easy for a while. Take it easy for a while.
Yeah, she's fine, dude. She's
Yeah, sit down for a while, bud.
yeah, go chill, man.
Just sit down and relax.
It takes a while to get the grip. I keep saying it's gonna do nothing.
You want to try to pull it up?
Will it start?
Hey, turn the key first.
Okay.
That looks like a small.
Your bike's all good, dude. It's all good.
Just sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah, sit down.
Sit down.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's stay sitting for a while.
And we just push up that way. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I was in a hole.
We don't want you guys getting hurt either.
It's not hard. Well, here, hold on, because I don't want to push it too far into this.
You stay sitting, please, okay?
Let's like
I'm
Sit
okay.
back down.
I'm okay.
and then we'll push it this way.
I want you to sit down, please.
Okay.
Okay.
And now we'll turn this way. Now we'll.
I'm good. I'm good.
It's gonna be a
I
lot.
know you probably are, but just...
Okay, go.
Oh, it's heavy.
He's not going to get on that bike and ride away right now.
No, I'll be a bit.
Yeah, it'll be a bit before you get back on that. Yeah.